Happy Sunday, guys, and good afternoon to all of you out there. Welcome to another Adventures of Greg Thomas Vlogs. To all of you just new to this channel for the first time, welcome, and I hope you all enjoy a wonderful experience. My name is Gregory Thomas II, but you can call me Greg. It's a lot shorter. And now that we got the introductions out of the way, let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you guys a previous adventure that I had earlier today at New Bethel Baptist Church, where I served as camera operator for the 11 a.m. service once again. Rather than me just sit here and just talk about it, let me show you from earlier today. Okay guys, so I just made my way here to New Bethel Baptist Church. Right now I am in the sanctuary, and as you can see, it's pretty quiet in here. Very peaceful. But don't worry, it'll be lively soon enough. Alright, so we're going to get the day started by setting up everything that we need, from cameras to the monitors, as well as anything else that we will need throughout the rest of the 11 a.m. service. So without further ado, guys, just stick with me and see how this whole adventure continues. Okay guys, so as this adventure is continuing on, I have made my way here to the audio visual ministry room, where as you can see, I have just turned on everything from the monitors and as well as the audio system that we use to track on the broadcasting live streaming today here at New Bethel. Gotta say guys, this room still awesome. Never a dull moment here at New Bethel Baptist Church. And standing with the audio visual ministry, it never gets old. Right, so we're gonna continue on with this adventure, guys. So stick with me and see how the whole adventure continues. Okay guys, so we just finished setting up everything from the monitors to the cameras, and as well as, well, pretty much the audio system we need for the speakers, audio speaking. But hey, never a dull moment here at New Bethel Baptist Church. Never. Right, so I'm just gonna chill for a little bit and hang out before, pretty much the 11 a.m. service starts. But stick with me, guys. Let's see how this whole adventure continues. Okay, guys, so we are about to get started with the 11 a.m. service. Once again, I am on camera 3, and we are about to get started. So I'll see you all after the 11 a.m. service. Okay guys, so we just got finished with the 11 a.m. service. Right now I am downstairs here in the AV room, just sitting down for a minute after working the camera. One thing I will say, never a dull moment at New Bethel Baptist Church. The youth praise definitely did a great job, and the sermon was interesting as well. And I definitely look forward to more adventures with New Bethel Baptist Church in the near future. There's plenty more surprises, especially where that came from here at New Bethel Baptist Church. Alright, so I'm going to head out, but stick with me guys, see how this whole adventure goes. And once again guys, that was a very successful day at New Bethel Baptist Church. I must say, serving alongside with the New Bethel community, it never gets old. And plus, they're serving us food like that. I mean, it truly is absolutely amazing. Very nice, very delicious. But along with that, I am also blessed and happy to continue on serving alongside my audio visual team. It never gets old. And I definitely look forward to more adventures with them, as well as the rest of New Bethel Baptist Church in the near future. So guys, I just want to say thank you for joining me on another adventure. I hope you all have a wonderful day as well as a wonderful weekend. If you like this video, go on down below and click on that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, click on the subscribe button and we'll get started. So until next time, guys, remember, imagination, memories, forever on film. So until next time, guys, have a wonderful week.